Here we have a Pioneer Multi ready for service. This one's off to the police dive unit. So they've kept it pretty simple, the Multi here. We've got an easy launch Respo trailer, and the dark grey hull is what the police have opted to go for. If you look on deck space for divers is critical because they've got plenty of equipment logged on there. So they've just got the one seat box which has got your storage underneath and a cushion to keep our fellow police nice and safe out there. The reason they went for the Multi is you've got the easy deployment with this bow door here, so divers can just pop off the front, no problem at all. This has been fitted with a Garmin LiveScope system, so it's packed away at the moment, but this is a Railblazer quick attachment for the transducer for the Garmin LiveScope, so that'll pop into the water and help aid any underwater searches. You've got the Garmin at the front there in the screen, which will give them all their data for what's below the water and their chart plot features. A-frame, sensible choice, keep them safe out there. That sort of having something behind you when you're on the water, as I talk about in many videos, good idea, with a couple of deck lights if they're away at night. They've gone for a Yamaha high thrust engine. The reason being is diving equipment is very heavy, so they need that extra torque at low speeds in order to keep the vessel moving as efficiently as they can. So that's that, the Pioneer Multi off for diving services with our very own police.